Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the ports and cables you actually have. This avoids surprises later. Once done, plug each monitor into the GPU one at a time so the system recognizes them. Make sure to power on the screens in a consistent order and update your graphics drivers now. Updated drivers fix detection issues and enable high refresh rates. You'll set a primary display in a moment, but first verify each monitor's native resolution and preferred refresh rate, so scaling and layout remain accurate. Now you arrange and scale. Drag the display icons to match your physical layout so the mouse moves naturally between screens. Once positioned, set each monitor to its native resolution and adjust scaling to keep text and UI consistent. Mismatched scaling causes cursor jumps and odd window sizes. If you use high refresh panels, match refresh rates where possible to reduce tearing. Finally, choose Extended Desktop for more workspace or Mirrored Mode for presentations. And configure orientation and snap zones. Finish by optimizing how you work. Assign keyboard shortcuts and set taskbar or dock behavior so windows move quickly between monitors. For color-critical work, calibrate each panel or load hardware profiles to keep hues consistent across displays. Once satisfied, save your display profiles and test common workflows like dragging full-screen apps. If a monitor isn't detected, troubleshoot systematically. Receipt cables. Try a different port or cable, reboot, and check the graphics driver status. Often a simple port swap reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.